actually going to save him, aren't you? You should leave him. He deserves it. Going off on his own like that. He doesn't respect you, Bats. Never has.
I thought Arkham City was fun, but this is another level.
How do you like this, Nightwing? All us scumbags, and you can't do nothing about it.
Yeah, I bet it's just
You ain't getting out of this pocket. You're gonna die. Hey, he's up. Boss wants to finish this one off himself.
You hear that, Nightwing? We're gonna keep you alive for a little bit longer.
More stimulating conversation. Great.
Oh, let me hit him, please. You die.
Hey, buddy. This is gonna hurt. I'll try not to make you look too bad. Heads up!
What did you think you were doing coming here alone?
You know what? Thank you for finding this place would be nice. You should be happy. We got all the cash. The Penguin's finished.
We still need to find him.
I doubt he stuck around.
Well, ain't this cozy? You need to keep an eye on this one.
Ooh, Bangman is
He's a
here.
bit too careless for my liking. Come any closer, and you get to see the contents of his head.
Hey, Oz. You remember the Flying Graysons?
Flying who? What are you on about?
Flying Graysons. The greatest acrobats in the world.
Shut up, you fairy.
Whenever they performed in that circus, there was magic in the air.
No! Stop! Ow! Ow! Ah, I swear to God, you better kill me, Batman. Otherwise, I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna...
You know, I was just going to suggest you do that. So, here's the part where you tell me off.
I'm proud of you, Dick.
Are you feeling okay?
This is the end. This is the last time we meet.
Don't talk like that. All right, this won't stop you. Nothing stops you.
Keep Bloodhaven safe. Promise me.
It's okay, Bruce. I get it. You just don't want me hanging around, stealing the limelight.
Dick.
I won't let you down.
I know. You could sell them for scrap. If you ever get out.
You're nothing without your little helpers. I nearly had your boy, didn't I? What's the matter? Got you rattled?
Your choice, Cobblepot. GCPD or the morgue.
Empty threats, Batman. We all know you don't kill.
I'm not feeling myself tonight.
Well, I'm sure you.
Move, Cobblepot.
Keep your cape on, I'm coming.
Scarecrow's men would have torn this place apart if you hadn't been.
Hey, boss, you're here! We're all back together.
Hey, it hasn't been the same without you. See that, Batman? That's loyalty.
You must be proud.
I could have told Scarecrow a long time ago that getting you involved in all this was a big mistake.
Watch your mouth, Oswald. We're on the same side of the bars now.
Don't be fooled, Bats.
This is
Underneath